Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am happy you found us, and if you've been here before and you're back for more, oh, big hug to you. Thank you. Today on Creativity and Inspiration, I have a little creativity and a little inspiration to share with you. So let's just jump into this one because I am super excited. Oh, and the title is One idea how to alter a hardcover book into a never-before-seen journal cover. So this one's for beginners, experts, and everybody in between. So how can I do this? What am I talking about? Well, here's our hardcover book, and this is going to be the cover for my next journal. But I've done something kind of different with it this time. You know, we've layered them with papers, we've decoupaged them, we've painted them. I mean, we've done a lot of things to them. But what I'm going to show you now, we haven't done before. I cut a hole in the cover, and all I did was take my craft knife. Here. All I did was take my craft knife and I drew a square. And I drew the square just a little bit smaller than the picture I planned to put in here. And then I just took my craft knife and went around till I have a hole. And what I'm going to do is on the inside cover, I'm going to, of course, cover with paper. I'm going to make a pocket and I'm going to put the picture in there in the pocket. And then the pocket will cover the hole. But because it's a pocket, you'll be able to change the cover if you want to or not, and it's going to be a ladybug journal. How cool is that? And then of course more about decorating this and putting it all together. When I get to this, it's not far off. It will be a video next week, but I just wanted to share this very cool idea. So guys, I hope you like this new idea for a hardcover journal cover. I am super excited about it. I just think this journal is going to be so cool, and I can't wait to get it made, and we'll be going through some of that on camera next week, and then we'll do a flip through when we're over. So if you like this video and you can't wait to see the one with more ladybug, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, so you don't miss out all the other cool things coming with my ladybug journal, you want to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. You don't want to miss out. Thanks for being here today, guys. I hope you love this as much as I do. I'm so excited. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.